Hey YouTube, it's Sunny72 here, coming from the Sulfur City Homestead. Just acquired a few items here. It's an Alaskan MK3 chainsaw mill and a Stihl 066 chainsaw. And we got that up in Michigan. Actually, both of them up in Michigan. Craigslist deals. I'll put the, down below, I'll put the link to the guy with the chainsaw. He's got a whole bunch of them if anybody's interested, ranging from beginner saws all the way up to professional saws. So just wanted to go ahead and show you what it was all about, and we'll show you some video of making some logs into timber. So thanks a lot, YouTube.
that's wood right there. Check out the inside grain. You can't get stuff like that at Lowe's or Home Depot or any of those places because they want the perfect straight grain. That's what you get the character in the wood right there.